Good morning, one and everyone. In 11th Commerce English medium, subject statistics, chapter number 2, presentation of the data, in which we have covered discrete type of data, continuous type of variable, and how to prepare the frequency distribution. Today we are going to see how to obtain the simple frequency distribution with the help of mid value and with the help of cumulative frequency type distribution. Example number 1, obtain simple frequency distribution from the following. What we are given? Mid value of the class and frequency 12.5, 17.5, 22.5 and so on, and frequency, related frequency are 12, 18, 16, 22 etc. We have to compute upper limit and lower limit of the class with the help of mid value. So calculation of class limit, there are two limits, upper limit and lower limit. Lower limit is given by mid value minus class interval by 2, upper limit is given by mid value plus class interval by 2. Mid values are 12.5, 17.5, 22.5 and so on. Therefore, for the first class, mid value is 12.5 and class interval is 5. Class interval difference of these two amount 12.5, 17.5, 22.5, 17.5, 27.5 and 22.5 and so etc. Therefore, for the first class, this is the mid value, this is the class interval. Mid value 12.5 minus 5 upon 2 means 12.5 minus 2.5. 10 is the lower limit, LL, lower limit. While the upper limit, instead of minus sign, there is plus sign. Class interval by 2. 5 by 2 means 2.5. Add this value into 12.5. It will be 15. Therefore, upper limit of the class 15 and lower limit of the class 10. This is for the first class only. We have to calculate only for the first class and remaining calculation as it is. Therefore, this is the simple type of frequency distribution. Simple type of frequency distribution in which class limits are 12.5 mid value. Therefore, the first class is 10 to 15. 10 to 15 first class. And the next class is 15 to 20. By taking class interval as pi, we have to write the proceed further. 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, and last class would be 45 to 50. Mid value, see, we have calculated last time 10 and 15, lower limit and upper limit. Lower limit is 10, upper limit is 15. How to compute mid value? Upper limit plus lower limit by 2. Therefore, 10 plus 15, 25. 25 by 2 divided by 2, 12.5. This is the mid value. See. For the next class, 15 to 20, addition of these two quantity 35. 35 upon 2, 17.5. See. So, please write mid value. In the case of mid value is given, frequency as usual, as it is, whatever may be given. For the first class, frequency is 12. For the second class, frequency is 18. For the third class, frequency is 16. Frequency remains as it is. There is no change. Therefore, this is simple frequency distribution with the help of mid value and frequencies are given. Now, in the another form, if less than type cumulative or more than type cumulative frequency given, also in this example, we have to obtain simple frequency distribution. But what we are given, what we are supplied, more than type value, 45.5, 44.5 or more, 49.5 or more, 54.5 or more, means value more than, means lower class limit points are given, and these are the cumulative frequency 500, 470, 390 and so on. These are the cumulative type frequency of more than type, and we have to obtain simple frequency distribution by using this data. So please prepare class limit. How to prepare these class limits? Therefore, these are the lower limit point How to compute lower limit from this lower limit point? So add 0.5, add 0.5 in this value. To each value, add 0.5 in this value, this value, this value, and so on. Therefore, it becomes 45, 50, 55. Upper limit automatically it should be returned, and therefore the first class would be, this is more than 44.5 or more. Means first class is 45 to 50. 49.5 and more. The second class would be 50 to 55. Last class 79.5 and more. Therefore our last class would be 80 to 85. This way we have to form, we have to restructure the classes. Therefore this continuous type frequency distribution, the classes are, or class limits are 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, and so on up to 80 to 85. These are the cumulative frequency of more than type. And how to calculate simple frequency with the help of these frequencies? So bottom to top, the order is bottom to top. See, I have written the notes in the cumulative frequency distribution. Less than type means order is top to bottom. More than type, order is bottom to top. And less than type, upper class limit points, and more than type, lower class limit points are given. These are the important nodes for cumulative type of frequency distribution. Here more than type, and therefore calculation is bottom to top. 0 last frequency as it is. 10 minus 0, 10. 90 minus 10, 80. 240 minus 90, 240 minus 90, 150. 290 minus 240, 50. 390 minus 290, 100. Means this type. 100 is given. Subtraction will give you 100. 390 minus 290. 470 minus 390, 80. 500 minus 470, 30. These are 30, 30, 80, 100, 150, 150. These are the simple frequencies with the help of cumulative frequency. If it is less than type CF is given, then calculation from top to bottom. Instead of bottom to top, it will be from top to bottom. And therefore, this is the simple frequency distribution with the help of cumulative type frequency distribution and more than type cumulative. In this type of example is in exercise number 2.1. So be practice well from our textbook. 5 to 7 example of illustration from textbook, exercise example, and be practice at home. And later on we are going to see the method of tabulation, how to tabulate the data, how to prepare the table, simplex table, simple table, and multi-purpose table, right? Okay, thank you everybody, thank you very much.